Hello friends, today we will discuss about site settings. So site settings is your global design control center. Anything you set here became the default style across your entire site. So first you go to your WordPress dashboard, click pages and choose any of your pages and click edit with Elementor. So it is Elementor dashboard. So top left corner you will see the Elementor icon. You click on Elementor icon and you see the site settings. So once you click the site settings, here you can see global color. So global color is a smart color system that controls your whole website color from one place. So here you can see primary color, secondary color, text, accent. So I will change the primary color, secondary color I will choose this, and text color I will choose yellow, and accent color I will choose purple. And from here you can also choose custom color. So then I will click save changes. So what happened if I click a flex box container and I click the add element and I will take headings. So here you can see now heading color is green. So if I choose text color, here you can see global color, default color. So if I choose this primary color, so you can see the color has been changed. Then I click publish. So then I click the site settings and here I will change the primary color red and click save changes. So now you can see the heading color has been changed. So it is happened when you choose color from global color. Once you change custom color, like you choose custom color like this and click publish, then I choose the site settings global color. From here if I choose the color and save changes, then the interesting part is your heading text color did not change. So what happened when you choose custom color, then the global color layout has been broken and it is not working. So similar way you can see primary color, secondary color, text color, accent color. So you can see the screen when you can use primary color, secondary color, text color and accent color. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this color system, so you can understand where you can use primary color, where you can use secondary color. So every elements when you use the global color, when you change the global color, so that will automatic update when you change them. So from here you can also choose custom color also. So I will select new global color. So it is automatic taken here. So next we will talk about global font. Here you can see primary font, secondary font, text font, accent font, and also you can choose here custom font. So primary font I will take this one. You can also choose here size, weight, transform. So you can see here, and weight you can choose weight also here. You can change the transform, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, and also style you can normal, italic, decoration, underline, overline, line throw. Also you can customize the line height between the two line, what will be the gap between two line. You can also choose from here. Letter spacing, from here you can also letter spacing. You can also here select the how much gap between two words. So once you customize your global font, then click save changes. And one more thing, here you can also choose custom font. Here you can choose your custom font, size, weight, transform, style, line height, and all those things. You can choose custom font from here also. And last, here you can see fallback font family. So what is fallback font family? So fallback font family is a backup font that is used only if your main font fails to load on user's device. So if your main font does not work that time, whatever font you choose here, that font will be appear on your user's device. So then click save changes. So here if I take a heading text, so the default font you can see here, your primary font, your secondary font, your text font, and your accent. So you can also choose here the font also. If you want, you can also choose from custom font also here. So that time your global font will not work. Means once you choose the custom font, later if you want, you choose the custom font and change your whole website font. so that time the global font will not work. It is similar to your global color. So here most people get confused. Here you can also choose font, and in theme style here also you choose the typography. Also you can choose here font also. So what is the difference between them and what should be used? See, you are a web designer like me, so in my experience, once you complete the client project, so it is a rare case client will again tell you that change my global color and global font. It is happen in rare case. So 99.99% cases client never told you that change my brand color or brand font. So best way, when you make a website for your client, choose font from here. So I will tell you how you can choose typography from here. So first, typography option, you can see body. So body text color, what will be the body text color? You can choose it from here also. It will be the default color. Body text color means your paragraph, your article, blog. So here you can see the font family. So I will choose enter, size 18 and weight 500, capitalize, normal, and decoration none, and the paragraph spacing 15 pixel. It is okay. You can increase it or decrease it. So for now I will do it 10 pixel. Link color means when you insert a link in your paragraph or in your text, so that color. So I will choose red, and hover I will choose dark red. It's a normal typography. I will choose Helvetica and size 18, 500 weight, capitalize, style normal, and decoration none. So what is link color and how it will work, I will show you. So here I will take a text editor element, and here I will insert my website link and apply. So here you can see this is link color. So this is linked, that's why color is different, which I have chosen in site settings. So then we will choose H1 color tag. So H1 heading color I have chosen here, and font family I will choose this, and size I will choose 50, and weight 800, transform uppercase, style normal, decoration none. So H1 is the main heading, and from H2 to H6 it is called subheading. So remember this thing. And H2 color I will take this. Typography I will choose Alata, size 40, and weight 600, capitalize, style normal, decoration none. So now we can see whatever we select the default font, how it is look like. So first take a heading, and I click duplicate, 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 duplicate. So first one is H1, second one is H2, third one is H3, fourth one H4, fifth one H5, and sixth on H6. So now you can see this is your default font settings, which we have choose in site settings. So you can customize it from here also. You just click style, so just click typography, and you can choose here. You can also choose the font here also. You can change the size, increase or decrease. So here you can see pixel, EM, REM, VW, and pen. So what should you use from here? So I will recommend you choose REM. It is best for website design. So later I will explain all of this, what is the difference and what is the definition of this. So I will later make a video on specific on this topic. So now you can also custom font choose here, and also there here you can see plus icon. You can create a custom font also, new font for H2 tag, and here is custom color. You can choose the custom color also. So in this style section you can changes the color and custom typography you can choose, and also you can do the alignment. You can choose the alignment, center, middle, justified, left side. So according your design preference you can choose it from here also. So next we will talk about button. So here you can choose the default button settings. So first, so here you can see the button. So I have customized before, so that's why it is showing this. So button typography means here you can see click here. So what font use here? So I will select this one. So here you can see change the font, and size I will choose 60. So here you can see change the size, and weight 600. Whatever I can change here, you can see here the effect, uppercase, normal, and style underline. And then you can see normal and hover effect. So normal, you can see here it is color is white. So if I do it yellow, so it become yellow. And you can change here also the background. So if I choose hover effects, so hover text color I will do white, and the background color will be black. So if you hover over the button, then you can see the changes. So then we will talk about border. Border means you can see the red border is showing because I select before. So if I click solid, border width 4 pixel, top right button left. So if you unlink this, then you can choose manually. So I do not need left side border, so I can do it 0 from here. I do not need top border, so I can do it from here. You can see only right and button the border is showing. So border color is yellow. If I do it black, then you can understand here. So here you can see the border effect. So hover border effect I will do double, and I will do it 4 pixel border, top right button left, and color will be green. So you can see the effect. And then border radius, if I do here 20 pixel, so I select hover and I do border radius 20 pixel. So when I hover over the button, then the radius effect will appear. If I do it normally, if I take 10 pixel border radius, so you can see corner is rounded. And so padding, if I take here 30 all over the top button, right left all side 30 pixel padding. So if I unlink this, and if I do here 30, button 15 pixel, top 15 pixel, you unlink the padding and you can add value according to you. This is how you can choose the default button settings, and then click save changes. Whatever you changes here, after you have to click the save changes option, and then click images. When you design a website, you need to upload images. So those images default settings you can set here. What will be the border, what will be the border radius, and here you can see form fields. Form fields I will show you, and click plus icon, and here I will type form. So then I go to site settings. So from here you can choose the default form field settings. So what will be the color? Here is showing label. Label means here you can see above the box name, email, message, above the box, not under the box. So this is called label. So you can choose here from the label color. So I will choose this color. So you can see change the color, and here you can see typography, means which font you use in label. So here I can choose this one. You can see the changes here, and size you can select size also here, weight, transform. So whatever you do here, it is apply on label section. And then field means under the box. So field typography I will select this font. So size I will take 20. So whatever you changes here, it is apply only under the box. This is called field. And what will be the text color? So text color I will take black. So here you can see accent color. Accent means I will show you. So from here, if I take a add button and I choose radio, here I will type option design, enter marketing, enter both. So if I click here, you can see those color is appear. This is called accent color. And focus, from here you can choose the text focus color. So So what is focus color? When someone click under the box, that time you can see the red color is showing. This is called focus color. And accent color, accent focus color means you can see the changes. First you see this color, when I choose focus color, you see that color has been changed. So that is the way you can set your default form settings. So then we will talk about box shadow. So if I click here, you can see a shadow appear behind the box. If you do it in focus, when I do it in focus, someone click in this field, that time this shadow will appear behind this box. So this is called box shadow. And then we will talk about border radius. So you can see a thin border is appear here. So you can select here what will be the border width, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel. You can see the width has been bigger, and you can change the color from here also. And border radius means roundness, how much roundness you want. So I want 30, so you can see. And padding, I will do it 40, so you can see. And you can unlink from here also and apply padding according to you. So I will do 20, right 20, and bottom 10 and top 10. So this is how you can set default form setting here also, and click set changes. So next we will talk about hello theme header, hello theme footer. So you can do it from here also. Template option, you can do it from here also. Site identity, you can do it from settings also. Here you can general settings, you can do all those things. So here you can see a site name, description, site logo. So this is called Favicon. So from here you can also select those things also. And background, so from here you can choose background type. So here you can see background has been changed. And also you can select image from your desktop. So mobile browser background color, you can choose it from here also. It is showing when visitors see your website in mobile, that time the browser background color you can change it from here. So this is mainly used for branding purpose. Over scroll behavior, keep it default, because if you something changes here, so that makes a problem to your visitor when they visit your website. So keep it default. So now we will talk about layout. Layout means content width. So what is that? I will show you. First you take a Lightbox container and choose one of them. So from here you can choose the width. So this is by default here. So by default it is 1140 pixel. So if you want, you can change the by default width like 1120 pixel, or you can increase 1200. So if I do it 900, then you can see the content width has been changed. So I will recommend you content width, default width will be 1120 is best when you design a website. So that time you can choose the width, you can increase it or you can decrease it according to you, but it is a default layout. You can do it from here also. Container padding means, okay, I will tell you. So normally I take a container and under I will take a child container. So you see the gap between two container, this is called padding. So you change the padding from here also. So if you want, you can by default you can choose here 15. So 15 pixel padding, it will be your default padding. You can change it according your design preference. Means when you design a website, that time you change it. So in site settings you can choose the default settings. And column gaps and row gaps. Column gaps and row gaps means here if I duplicate it, you can see this is a container, child container, and this is a child container. So between two container there have a gap. So this is called container gap. So this is row gap, this is a row, and this is row. So this is row gap. And column gaps, if I do it direction horizontally, so here you can see two container, between two container they have a gap. This is called column gap. So that things you can do it from here. And default page layout, you can see here are three options: theme, Elementor canvas, Elementor full width. So do it according you. Here is the best option is theme. You can do it Elementor full width and also Elementor canvas. Elementor canvas means you do not have any header and footer, so you can change it also page layout from here also. So then breakpoint, when display size below the 767 pixel, then it will break the mobile version, and tablet version when it is means display size will 1024 pixel below it, then it will showing tablet size. So I will recommend you keep it as it is, do not do anything here. So next we will talk about Lightbox. So Lightbox mainly work on images and gallery. It is a pop-up window. Here you can see this is called Lightbox option. So how will you get this option? In gallery or images, here you can see link. If you choose none, then the Lightbox option is not showing. If you choose media file, then here you can see Lightbox option is showing. So here you can see default option. Default means whatever you set in site settings, that's called default. If you choose yes, or you can choose no. So for now we will keep it default. So from here you can see counter means this is called counter. Full screen, this is full screen option. And zoom option, this is zoom option. And share option, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, and also you can download the image also. If you do it no, counter, if you do it no and save changes, then if we click here, then you can see the option is not showing. So from here you can do it on or off. And if you select title, when you upload images, that time you have to put a title, description, alt tag, then title and description will appear in pop-up. And background color, so when the pop-up is appear, from here you can choose the color also. If you reduce, it's look better. And UI color means whatever you are showing here, this is called UI color. So from here you can change it. And UI hover color means when you hover over it, then the color will be changed. So that is called UI hover color. And text color means when title and description will appear, that color will apply title and description. Toolbar size means there is a number and icon. So this icon will be big or small, you can do it from here. And navigation icon, you can increase it or decrease it. Maybe there have some cache issue, that's why it is not showing. And it is also mobile friendly. If you click in mobile box, then you can see this is also in mobile friendly. So title is showing, and I did not write in description, that's why description is not showing. But the problem is there may be some cache issue, that's why this element is not working. And then page transition means when you go from one page to another page, that time a transition will appear. You can select from here also entrance animation. I will show you zooming. So this is the effect you can see here when your website is open. You can choose gradient color also, and you also choose exit color, animation duration. So you can do it from here also. And preloader means when someone click your website, and before appear the website to your visitor, So what type of preloader you want to use, you can choose it from here also. And page transition, when your page is loading, that time you can see the animation which is you select from here. Then you can use CSS, custom CSS, and additional settings you can do it from here also. So here I will forget on things. Here you can see disable default color, disable default fonts. When you use global color and global font, so that time if you want, you can check these boxes. Check these boxes means if you check these boxes, that means you disable the Elementor color and font. System will choose color and font from your theme. So I will recommend you, when you choose hello theme, so never check these boxes. If you choose Astra or any kind of colorful theme, then you can mark these boxes. So here is all over the site settings. If this video helpful for you, and if you think that you get a little more information from my video, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.